Okay, now this is our lecture matching versus searching lecture. In this lecture, we consider a one regular expression, and in a one regular expression, we match and we search a one by one elements or characters that you can see that the syntax is the same. First of all, we import re and introduce strings and the flags and a simple uh, syntax that we that search to like this is of the pattern. Okay, now the search and the first we have pattern and the string and the flag, which is optional. Okay, now for a match function, for match function that control C, control V here, that put a re dot not search. In this case, we should match like this. Like this is optional. Okay, now do a practical example of this searching and a matching function on a Python. Okay, in the third lecture, we have a tutorial on matching versus the searching. That we have a same example like we did in the search function and a match function. This is the same. And if here is matching versus searchings.py, first of all, the import re and introduce a string here that cats are smarter than dogs, and second put a syntax that first of all we want matching, so dot or dot match. First I write the match and not a search, and this is a match, and I want that I if only want to match the dogs in a lines line this ones, and put a string and a flag here, then put a condition like this and print a no match. In the complete line, this command show or display a complete lines and a number of the dogs in a present in hairs. If the number of dog is a present of one, then the system tell us that there is a no match as our keywords like dogs. If two dogs are present like in hairs and in hairs, then it automatically give a like this answer. And in the second, like put a re dot search and put like same dogs and strings and a flag, and put introduce the same command here. Okay, when let we run this, then you can see that the system tell us that you have if you have only one dogs, then there are no elements. Okay, double click on the run, drag here. You can see that our search inside a search group there is a one dogs, so there is a no match because there is a one dogs in entire lines like this.